Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing something a little bit different today and sectioning off bits of my canvas to create a different composition. I'm using some kind of favourite colours, the blues and lilacs, and of course some very sparkly gold. So yeah, I'm showing you that tape to fingers crossed that it stops the paint from bleeding into the areas that I don't want it going into. So it looks like I've got a googly bit in my container. Oh dear. But anyway, I will let you watch. Oh gosh, I'm not having a good day of it, am I? I didn't want it on that part because that part I just want gold. But I'll let you watch how I create. I want lots of movement, feathery effects. I want the whole kit and caboodle in this one. So I'll just jump in where I feel I need to. So enjoy.
Losing control, so I take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my way. How will I call? How will I call? How will I call? I can't sleep, but I'm hardly awake. A limbo dance, such a fine romance. Bit by bit, I am slowly waking to see what's real, to finally heal. How will I call without your word? How will I call without your heartbeat? How will I call without your love? How will I call without your word? How will I call without your heartbeat? How will I call without your love? How will I call? With your hand on your heart, oh please tell me, will I call? With your hand on your heart, please tell me which way to go.
Yes, so this gold is very, very sort of like textury. Is that a word? Textury. So it will dry like with a texture like effect. And I just love it. And it's very, very sparkly. So yeah, I am running a bit over there. I know the tape is on, but when I pull it off, it will show just a little bit of the gold onto each side. So I still have further plans for each of those sides. I'm not going to leave them like that because I want them sort of like windswept leaves kind of thing. You'll see what I mean when I get stuck into it. But I've got to leave this really to dry, I think, at this moment in time. But then, I have got to leave it to dry, but I think I'm going to add some glitter somewhere along the line.
How will I call
rolls, but I am taking that tape off at this time because I think if I leave that to dry with the tape there, it will probably, when I pull the tape off, it will pull the paint off as well. So while it's all still wet, I'm adding some of that, it's iridescent glitter. So hopefully if I resin or I varnish at the very end, like when it's all fully dry, which I probably will leave a couple of weeks because I've got so much work to do, that will just shimmer all the way through it. But I have a little plan for my two bands there. You will see next when this section of it is dry. It all dried. It's been dried for probably nearly a week now, and I've only just got back to it. I've put some masking tape. I was umming and ahhing what colours to do these. I'm going to just try a thing. Hopefully this doesn't bleed. We will see. We will see. See. My this is gonna take a few coats if I use that, so that's probably out of the game. I was gonna use I might use it on the same. I might just give it this coat to dry. It's not covering up the gold, so it needs not fluid art, it needs the straight acrylic to be able to cover up my duvallakis, my bits and bobs. So I just might go over it once. I was going to put some bling in the centre there, along here, like a band, so it's like a band of jewels, but really make it blingy. I'm gonna use a different colour. What colour? Should I use a purple? Actually, I can't. I'm forgetting what I said to you. You can't use the fluid. What the ultraviolet looks like straight out of the. This looks a bit. This probably won't cover it either. It probably needs to dry and then let it have a few coats of this. Still something in me wants to bling it up, and if that's what your heart desires, I suppose you've got to go with it. So I will just let these layers dry and then come back. I just wanted to really do something blingy, because when I did my Treasure Island, that didn't actually get hardly any viewers. It was something different. I thought, oh, you know, my followers will probably like seeing something different from me, but didn't really go down so good. But you know, I absolutely enjoyed doing it, so a lot of the time it has to be what gives you joy. I don't know, what do you reckon if I let them dry and then add some bling to it? What do you think? Well, my granddaughters are coming this afternoon and they love seeing me bling, or they love me letting them bling. I don't know, what do you think? Some little blown flowers. I'll let it dry and then we'll come back to it. So I added, I let that purple dry and then I sort of just did a bit of a vine, but it's a little bit probably too chunky. So I will remove the, it's all fully dry now, the glittery bits. And I think it'll absolutely make it pop when I put some resin on that. But I'll take the paper off and we'll see how it's travelling when I get the paper off, so go from there. So took the tape off. Not 100% happy with my loopy bands through, but it's very sparkly, so I'm going to see what it looks like with a coat of varnish first and resin. It might take it up a notch or two. Just something different, and doing the bands and the sparkle. So yeah, let me know what you think. Bye for now.